Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel. Well, this video is a bit different from the usual. So get your popcorns and let's get started. Well, today's video is really special. Our friends at Alba India have sent a specially packed box and 3 of their different mechanical watches, each with a distinct dial style to feature and review. Starting off with a specially packed box, inside there's a box of luxurious chocolates alongside an Alba watch. Now let's take a look at each one of them individually and see what makes each one of them unique from one another. This is Alba's Aqua Green Dial Mechanical Wristwatch. It has a unique case size of 43 mm and has a stainless steel dial. And it's a watch that comes with rotating bezel. And what's interesting is that it's a day-date automatic model that comes with a green silicone band, and inside it has Seiko's Caliber Y676 movement and is 10-bar water resistant. The glass used here is mineral crystal and the dial is aqua green in color, giving it a nice vibrant look in different lighting conditions. Though the watch doesn't come with a see-through back, the hands and the markers of the watch are luminous. With a price tag of 11,500 Indian rupees, it's a fairly decent mechanical watch that every watch enthusiast should consider buying. Moving on, it's time to unbox the second one. This is Alba's Emerald Green Mechanical Wristwatch, and it has a subtle 42 mm stainless steel dial, and it's an automatic watch with a screw see-through back. It has a stainless steel wrap bracelet featuring a 3-fold clasp with push button release. It comes with Seiko's Caliber Y676 movement and is 10-bar water resistant. The glass used here is mineral crystal and the dial color you get is emerald green, which itself is a unique color. The hands and the markers of the watch are luminous and it's a day-date model. Coming with a price tag of 11,500 Indian rupees, it's a watch with unique dial style that every watch collector deserves to have. This brings us to the last watch. This is Alba's Tokyo Neon Mechanical Wristwatch, and it's entirely a black watch with a decent 42 mm stainless steel dial, and it's an automatic watch with a screw see-through back. It has a stainless steel wrap bracelet featuring a 3-fold clasp with push button release. It comes with Seiko's Caliber Y676 movement and is 10-bar water resistant. The glass used here is mineral crystal, and talking about the dial color, it features a color gradation of black and orange that gives a unique look in different lighting conditions. The hands and the markers of the watch are luminous and it's a day-date model. Coming with a price tag of 12,700 Indian rupees, it's a fairly unique watch that every watch collector should have. Now just head over to their website, aka check out the pinned comment below this video to get one for yourself, and go even follow them on Instagram to know more about their collection. Once again, I thank Alba India for sponsoring this video and giving a sneak peek of their collection by sending these watches for review. So with that being said, here's Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.